In this lecture on store settings, we will see how we can manage shipping and delivery options. First, click on the Shipping and Delivery settings. As you can see on the screen, it is showing general shipping rates because we are using a free trial. That's why it is not showing any products for now. When the products will be added to the store, the domestic and rest of the world shipping rates will be shown. So as you can guess, there are two types of shipping rates in Shopify. One is domestic and the other is international, also called the rest of the world. The number of products in our store will be shown when new products are added to our profile. You can charge different shipping rates depending on specific products. But since we don't have any products yet, let's skip the shipping section for now. We can add rates by clicking on the Add Rates button. The first is the standard rate, which is officially defined by the government. You can also use a carrier or an app to calculate your shipping rates. This option will be discussed in a later lecture. If you decide to set up your rates, it is the best option because it includes a standard rate, which is often free. As you can see, if we click on the Done button, it shows a free shipping price. If you don't want to do free shipping, simply delete it and click on the Add Rates button to add the rate you want to apply, where you can also customize it depending on item weight and/or order price, for example. You can also select a range of products from minimum to maximum weight or price. For example, in our setup, RS3000 will be charged for shipment, which corresponds to the custom domestic rate. If the price of the product is between RS4000 and RS10000. Let's try applying conditions based on product weight as well. For example, RS20000 will be charged as shipping charges if the weight of the product is between 20 and 50. Of course, this setting can also apply to your international orders. Let's save our settings to update the profile. Now, let's go back to the Home panel. Here, we can see that one task is completed because our theme customization is done. When you add a custom domain, set up a point of sale, place a test order, etc., other tasks will be completed. Let's go back to the possibility I briefly mentioned before, linked to shipping settings, that of using a carrier or an app to calculate our shipping rates. What does that mean and how does it work? I'll try to explain this now. So first, go to the Shopify App Store. There, all of the official apps for Shopify are available. Search using the top search bar, Shipping Rates, and select the most downloaded and top rated one from the Shopify App Store. For now, we will select the ShipZip app and install it. Once the installation is complete, it is showing many options like app plans, order listing, locations, etc. Let's click on Shipping and Delivery settings and go to the Shipping to section and click on Add Rates. This is to check whether that app is available here or not. As you can see on the screen, the app will not appear here because you have to pay a premium shipper to use the app. With the premium shipping plan, shipping rates will be calculated according to the customer's zip code. Premium shipping also includes features like per product shipping, rate modifier, tier rate rating, multiple conditions, and unlimited shipping rates create. If you want to work professionally, it would be better to select a premium plan to unlock all the useful features to maximize the impact of your store. Once you select a plan and clear payments, all the features of the premium ship will be available. But in the context of these lectures, we are not trying to create a big business model. Quite the opposite. We're mirroring a small business, so we will create normal shipping rates. When your small business model becomes successful, then I would recommend that you purchase premium ships and install apps to calculate more specific and adapted shipping rates. You can also create your shipping zone in any country around the world.